Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, BMW Diagnostics 1916. So today I'm going to be replacing the shift knob and the shift boot on my 2011 BMW 550i. So I have a 6-speed, and this is the stock, shifting knob and the boot. So in order to and I'm going to be replacing this with the shift knob and boot from a M5. So I got this off ECS Tuning, and as you can tell, it's a lot nicer. The knob is, heavier. It's a weighted knob. Even the boot looks nicer. It's a nicer leather. So yeah, so I'm gonna get started. There's two clips. There's one here, and then another clip here and here. So you're going to push in. That'll remove the right side, and then on the left, easily comes off. So for the F10 on my car, the knob is stitched to the boot. So you're gonna want to loosen this up a little bit and then pull up. Careful not to hit yourself in the head. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, it's connected here by stitching. So if you want to replace this, you would have to get both the boot and the knob here. And this one has a connector for the to light up the shift knob. My car doesn't have the electrical wiring for that, so I'm not going to be using this connector. If you wanted to, there is a way where you can connect some wiring to your outlet here. So maybe I'll do that at some other point. Okay, to put this knob and boot on, just slide it in here and then push it down and then twist it a little bit. When it doesn't turn all the way, that means it's in place. And then reattach the boot here. So push the clips in. Okay, and then you're gonna want to push down on the knob to make sure it's in place. All right, so that's good. And that's it. So yeah, look how nicer this is, how cleaner. It feels really good in your hand. Yeah, it's really nice. A lot nicer than this one. This one feels really, this is a stock one, but it feels really cheap. Yeah, so yeah, I got this off of ECS Tuning. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.